time to check in. These gentlemen are taking us through this lovely jungle bit to a villa. What do we think?
Really sweaty right now.
Wow. It's looking super cute right now. That looks like that model.
Kate Moss.
Yeah, Kate Moss. That's it. Oh, look at our room. Amazing. Absolutely lovely. Look at this.
Wow.
What do you think?
That's amazing.
They're gorgeous, aren't they? Don't look real almost.
They are.
They are real, yeah.
They look like they'd be styrofoam.
They don't look it though, do they? And then what we got here? Oh. Now this is interesting. This is a very large sink. Got some toiletries and things. Hello. Okay, what do we think
I think it's cute.
of our villa? It is cute, isn't it? So we've got a nice area there we can sit. This is a room tour of the Zara Beach Resort Hotel at Koh Samui. We have booked a villa with a private pool. I'm going to just show you around, see what you've got. We've literally just checking in now. So outside area with seating. They're going to come clean the pool, so don't let that put you off. But it's a dip pool really, and you've got a private area that you can sit. This is just for us, this pool, which is amazing. There's all like cute lighting and little statues outside. Beautiful to look out onto with these trees. Lovely, and the room is really spacey. Got air conditioning, obviously. So there's a seating area and big high up ceilings. So we've got kettle and tea and coffee stuff. They're giving us some water and full on mugs, which is a nice change to see. There's a fridge there. There's nothing in the fridge, but there's a fridge there. There's a TV if you like watching telly. And then these, which you can hang on outside, which is so cute. How lovely are they? These make up the room, and this is their environmental commitment thing. Got some slippers there. A couple of coat hangers in the wardrobe, a safe. I haven't read the instructions on that yet. I think it looks like it's going to be free. And we've got towels for the pool there. That's the electric box. They always look green, don't they, for some reason? Yeah. And then this amazing sink area where you wash your hands, etc. Yeah, amazing. I mean, there's a few bits which makes it look like it's a bit of an old building. Like the shelves are a little bit wonky and things like that, but we'll see beyond that because we are in paradise right now. So this shower is like something I've never seen before. Look at that. How crazy is that? And there's a glass door on it with no lock. I know people ask me these questions all the time, are they private? But yeah, and then there's a separate toilet there, which is handy, also with a glass door. And then we come into the bedroom, lovely high ceilings, and a nice welcome sign for us, which is great. Looks comfy. Hang on, let's give it a little. That feels like that's going to be super comfortable. Really lovely curtains there, and they look like they'll probably keep out quite a bit of the dark. I'm an early riser anyway, but look at this. What a cute little thing in the corner there. They've got these like aromatherapy things, and interestingly, I brought some eucalyptus. Yeah, so that's all of that area, and outside we've got this dip pool. They're about to come and clean it, so it'll get rid of the leaves from the trees. But yeah, in some beds so we can sit privately, and then that's our outlook. It's just lovely. Really nice room. So it's super cheap. We paid, I think, about £150 for 4 nights here. So we're really looking forward to our stay. We're right near the beach. You can just walk onto it. So like I said, we just checked in. Can't wait to get settled. I don't think there's anything else you're going to want to know. I'm trying to think of the questions that I might be asked. So there's some shower gel. What have we got in here? A little bar of soap, some shower gel. Dental kit. Oh, it looks like toothbrush and toothpaste. Some cotton pads, some shower caps. Yeah, so we have a storm, a big time storm going on. Part of me loves that. We didn't go out tonight because we was like, let's get an early night. Oh my god, I've never seen rain like it. Look at that. lovely little dogs to greet us here. This Pac-Man looks very familiar to someone we love. Hi. Current view. Could it be much more Thai right now?